Hello friends, today's topic stocks which doubled in 3 years. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. In March 2020, after a huge crash due to corona spreading all over the world, global markets including Indian market had a huge rally. This rally attracted large number of new investors to stock markets and the number of demat accounts has increased from around 4 crores in 2020 to more than 13.5 crores in 2024. Since 2021, many stocks have multiplied by double or more in the last 3 years. Many of these stocks have huge potential to grow even in the future since the demand for their goods and services is expected to be high due to India's young and growing population. Following is the list of Nifty 50 index stocks which have at least doubled in the last 3 years. Number 1. Titan Company. Price in February 2021, 1501. Current price 3627. 3-year CAGR 34% per annum. 2. Tata Motors. Price in February 2021, 280. Current price 879. 3-year CAGR 46%. 3. M&M. Price in February 2021, 750. Current price 1651. 30% CAGR every year. 4. L&T is appreciated from 1335 to 3398 and 37% per year, 3-year CAGR. 5. ITC 203, journey started 443 in 3 years, 30% 3-year CAGR. Number 6. Grasim 1051 to 2129, 27% 3-year CAGR. Number 7. Tata Consumer Products. Price in February 2021, 560. Current price 1130. 3-year CAGR 26%. 8. Adani Ports. Price in February 2021, 510. Current price 1218. 3-year CAGR 34%. 9. Power Grid Corporation 104 to 265. 37% 3-year CAGR. 10. NTPC 89 to 322 and 3-year CAGR 53%. 11. Coal India. Price in February 2021, 126. Current price 407. 3-year CAGR 48%. 12. Adani Enterprises. Price in February 2021, 507. Current price 3154. 3-year CAGR 84%. 13. Tata Steel. Price in February 2021, 60. Current price 135. 3-year CAGR 31%. 14. Sun Pharma. The journey from 586 to 1406. 47% appreciation in the last 3 years every year. 15. Apollo Hospital. Price in February 2021, 2561. Current price 6289 and 3-year CAGR 35% every year. Now going further, Nifty 50 stocks. 16. Hindalco 226 to 572, 36% 3-year CAGR. 17. Bharti Airtel 543 to 1151, 28% 3-year CAGR. 18. ONGC 88 to 248, 3-year CAGR 41%. 19. JSW Steel. Price in February 2021, 367. Current price 801 and 3-year CAGR 30%. So out of 50 companies in the Nifty 50 index, 19 of them have at least doubled in the last 3 years since February 2021. Doubling in 3 years is a CAGR of 26% per annum average. However, the returns are not constant and even. Many stocks could have been flat for first 2 years, then suddenly doubled in just 1 year. CAGR is only the average percentage returns for a period. There would have been several periods when the stock price would have fallen 20 to 30% also, then recovered. There's a good chance that some of these companies will continue to do well. But also, there are many underperforming stocks in the Nifty 50 index currently, such as HDFC Bank, Asian Paints, etc. It's a good chance that in the next 2 to 3 years, they will also suddenly do well. You need to do your own analysis and see which stocks can give good returns in the future too. The reason why everybody does not make good profits in the long term is that many people can't bear the short-term crashes or consolidation in the stock prices, and they don't have the patience to hold for long period. So it is more a problem of managing our emotions such as fear, greed, patience and discipline rather than the actual stock price movement. At the end of the video, here is a question. Which of these 19 stocks do you have in your portfolio? Type the names in the comment section. If you are not the member of our channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.